Assalamu alaikum. كيف الحال? Today we're gonna learn 15 adjectives with their opposites. And in the second section, we're gonna talk about grammatical gender. And we're gonna make with them some sentences. So without any further ado, let's start. Boy, ولد. ولد. Girl, بنت. بنت. ولد، بنت. Man, رجل. رجل. Woman, امرأة. 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 رجل. Old, كبير. كبير. Young, صغير. صغير. كبير. صغير. Fat. سمين. سمين. Thin. نحيف. 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 Short. قصير. 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 Tall. طويل. 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 Weak. ضعيف. 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 Strong. قوي. 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 Handsome. وسيم. 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 Beautiful. جميلة. 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 Ugly. بشع. 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 This is the second section of our video. Please bring a notebook or a paper and a pencil to write down some notes, or you can listen right now. After that, repeat the section and write your lesson, because it may make you confused in some points. As you know, in Arabic we have to specify the gender. How we can know if this word feminine or masculine? Let's jump right in. Masculine is مذكر. مذكر. And feminine is مؤنث. مؤنث. And we specify masculine and feminine by adding تاء. حرف التاء. حرف التاء. We add حرف التاء at the end of the word. That when we talk with a girl, or when is the gender feminine, we add تاء. Without تاء, it means مذكر. With تاء, it means مؤنث, feminine. Let's see some rules and types. Masculine without تاء. Feminine with تاء, but there are two forms of تاء. The first one we call تاء مربوطة. تاء مربوطة. And it has a circle character, remember that. And we call it independent تاء. For the second one is تاء مبسوطة. تاء مبسوطة. And it has a flat character. Just remember those two types. Today we're gonna understand more تاء مربوطة, which is the circle character. Let's see the second type of تاء مربوطة. There is independent تاء. At the end of the word, we sound not تاء, like حمزة, مطرقة, جميلة, like that. And the second form of تاء مربوطة is the connected form. We're gonna see why we call independent and connected تاء. Let's take an example here. Handsome, wasim. Wasim and beautiful, jamila. Jamila. As you can see here, we can use jamila and remove حرف التاء because it's feminine to make it or to change the form to masculine. So now I'm going to say handsome, jamil, but I removed حرف التاء. And if I want to call a girl, I'm going to add حرف التاء مربوطة to specify the gender. Feminine, جميلة, جميل, جميلة. Let's take more examples. And we're gonna take طويل. طويل, it means tall. We're gonna change the form to feminine and it becomes طويلة. طويلة. As you can see here, حرف التاء, we connect this form with the last consonant, which is حرف اللام, لا, طويلة. And before the ta, we're gonna add the short vowel up, which is فتحة. This sound becomes a, so it gives us طويلة, عريضة, قصيرة. Let's take another examples. نحيف, نحيف, it becomes نحيفة. We add connected ta. We call it connected ta because we can relate or connect between the last word and the half ta, but we add the short vowel fatha to give us the sound a, نحيفة. Let's take the third example, but now we're gonna use ta, independent ta. صغير, صغير, which means small or young, small or young, and it will give us صغيرة, صغيرة. Look at here, I use independent ta because before حرف التاء there is a consonant sakin. We're gonna see that in another video. Right now, just focus on the characters of each word and how we can write it. And after that, we're gonna learn in another videos. Just stay tuned for the other videos. صغيرة. Let's take another one. قوي, 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 which means strong. It becomes قوية, قوية. Here we put and we connect the ta with the last word. That's right. Let's take some sentences or how to make a short sentences with the adjectives. جمل قصيرة. جمل means sentences. قصيرة means short. قصيرة is an adjective, yes? And I want to ask you, is it feminine or masculine? That's right, it's feminine because we add ta مربوطة. Let's take the first sentence. The man is fat and short. الرجل سمين وقصير. الرجل سمين وقصير. الرجل means the man. سمين fat and short قصير. الرجل سمين وقصير. The woman is tall and thin. Yes, المرأة طويلة ونحيفة. المرأة طويلة ونحيفة. الولد قصير وقوي. الولد قصير وقوي. Yes, which mean the boy is short and strong. Okay, right now I'm going to leave you subscribe on my channel. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on the bell to receive any notification. Good luck for everyone and see you soon.